Hello, hello! So the topic of today is painting cars. Yes, it's the kind of things I'm doing. Not only that, but it's kind of, I really love it, painting car. And today I'm going to speak about the bonnet of the Land Rover.
The witch, the rider, the angel. Artist. Nomad. Family.
La famille en balade.
Maman aussi c'est joli.
Mommy,
Yeah.
look at
So I do different things, as you can see here. I do graphics. I really like to do graphics. Like I've done the eyes. You know, it's kind of also we see it's kind of dry-dimension. I find it's good to do that, but also like to do material. Like here, for example, I used the rust. And then also put it in like in a three-dimensional, so it's like would be the rest of the metal, who's by the way not possible by Land Rover because the carrossery, so the body car is in aluminium, and aluminium is not rusting. But I like the way it is. So as you see, it's not finished. So I just have done the bonnet, and the idea is to continue the old car, but because I'm doing all the things in there, like you have seen maybe this the little door and isolation is one to do. So yes, painting is going to be at the end. And I also like to do this painting stuff when we, it's like inside of the car, you can't see it really, instead of you open the car or you go underneath. So for the moment I didn't have done anything underneath of the car, but it's the idea of doing something. And I paint also under the bonnet. So I'm going to. So I'll need to take some. So that is also not the original stuff. Have to repair the other one. It's just blocking when I can't open the bonnet when I got original things. So normally you have something there and it's going to be here, but it's not working actually. So as you can see, I got this elephant. It's what I've done in a style mud trash glitter style. It's my style of painting. And I don't know exactly why I have done an elephant. It was something like I wanted to do this kind of painting. So I'm when I do this matte trash glitter paint, it's the way I'm painting with just only with my hand, and the underground is always black, so I put it in black at the beginning, and then I've done it. I took some photos, and I do with different color the paint of the animals, but only doing these animals and front. And I think as elephant is quite good for this type of car. Land Rover Series 3 from 79. Yeah, really like it. So underneath here, I didn't put the varnish. I just let it like this, and it stay quite good, even with the motor who's quite warm. And on the top of this one, so we can see the difference. It's a matte, but you see this one is really the old paint with a bird shit. and the paint is really kind of yeah, the varnish just went away, and this one you see a bit of the varnish even if it's matte. The varnish I don't have, so I painting outside, or when I had this one I had my atelier, so I've done it in my atelier, but just like this. Wasn't something special with no dirt and stuff like this. Don't need it for this kind of paint. But after that, that's everything could stay in a good shape and don't go away at the first sun or cold temperature or really high level temperature. That's everything stay good. I went to a professional who got really the cabin for that, and then we put with again the old varnish, and it's quite a while I've done it, something like, I would say 3 years, and it's still in good shape. So for the rest I'm going to do the same things. The things is I could take this one apart, because of course I can put it away with this with this one, and I bring into the factory. For next time of the old car, of course I had to bring the old car in a place where they do the varnish, but that's going to be not now, a bit later. Et voilà, on entend la démarche presque faire des cours. Malgré le froid, là il y a toute la vie. Je suis en train de vérifier si ma peinture tient bien, et ça tient super. Voilà, ça c'est ce que je fais. Sans de peinture. Bon, après, je ne fais pas forcément celle-ci. Il y a des gens qui veulent. Regardez un peu l'autre, je crois qu'il tue quand même un peu, mais normalement ça a l'air bien. Et voilà. Oh, il y a encore du travail. But well, it's like this. Like it. Something's going to come here, but not the real. Something else. It's going to be a surprise. Going to film it later on. So, voila, that's it. Bye bye for next things of my car, Cocotte. Here we are.